Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Yes or No Item Reviews. My name is Omar and today's item is a 3-in-1 electric steam sterilizer. Let's check it out. Open it. This is fast. Oh look, there's already instructions like right there on how to do it. We got more instructions, and more instructions. Wow, they really tell you how to do this thing. All right, I'll start here. Oh, so I think this is the lid. This is the bottom, so this is another part of it. And oh, it comes with a tongue to grab. Last but not least, I think there's one more part in here. So this is where all the bottles are stored. So this is the other piece, the main one. Well, one of the main ones. So this is pretty much what comes inside the box. All this right here. This is all you should have. That's all it came with. And let's go ahead and set everything up. So we got these 3 parts. 1, 2, and we got 3. This is gonna be the base unit. Okay, this is where the plug-in goes into the outlet. This is the middle part. This is where all the bottles go in and anything you want to sterilize. So it goes right here. This is the lid. That's pretty much how you set it up. So there's actually other options. Take the big part out and you take the small piece and put it here, if that's all you need. I've seen some other people use it like this, small on bottom and the big on top. You could, it's another way. But my favorite way, big piece on the bottom, little piece on top, and then the lid. Just because it looks cool. So according to the information on the box, this 3-in-1 electric steam sterilizer will keep baby bottles, soothers, and other content sterile up to 24 hours. That's if the lid is unopened. This machine also holds up to 6 330 milliliter Philip Avent bottles to be sterilized all at the same time. It's designed to fit both standard and wide neck baby bottles and other baby products and accessories. This thing also claims that the sterilizing cycle lasts only 6 minutes and that it switches off automatically for extra safety and energy saving. Finally, because this thing is an open design, it is easy to clean, which allows you to sterilize with clean steam every single time. Now it's time to review the Avent sterilizer. Using your dish soap and a bottle brush, soap and rinse all bottles and other contents with water, then put aside when finished. Use one of the clean bottles that you just washed and with filtered water pour 100 milliliters in the bottle. Then you transfer that 100 milliliters into the base. There is also the word max on there for your measurement. Then you attach the second layer. Put your contents inside. In this case, we put 6 of our own Avent bottles. Side note, your bottles do not have to be Avent. Just note that the maximum fit in this sterilizer should be about a 330 milliliter bottle. Then put the top layer on. Put the smaller contents inside here. There is actually an order of stacking. Put the nipples inside first, then you put the collar on top of the nipples. Finally, put the travel cover on top of the collar. You could also sterilize pacifiers here too. You could also sterilize the tongue if you want, and then you shut the lid. Next, you plug it in. Now we are going to test how long it actually takes to sterilize everything. As you can see, the red-orange indicator lights up, which means that it started sterilizing. Let's fast forward to kill boredom. As you can see, the Avent sterilizer turned off by itself at 9 minutes and 30 seconds, which was not what they claimed to be at 6 minutes. Or maybe it's just my sterilizer. Alright guys, it's finished. When it's finished, you do not want to open it toward you. If you have to open it away from you. But it's hot. Woo. You see that steam? Let it cool down for a little bit, maybe like 3-4 minutes. 5 minutes. So would I recommend this? Yes, I would. This is a very good 3-in-1 sterilizer. It kills 99.9% germs, sterilizes up to 24 hours. It could fit a lot, like up to 6 bottles. Not only that, the caps and the pacifiers. Although it said that it sterilizes in 6 minutes, but it was only a little bit more, like 3 minutes more, and that's not that bad. It's very easy to clean, and I recommend it. It's a good product. It's a great sterilizer. I suggest you go buy one. So, is this item right for you? Yes or no? Let me know your opinion in the comment section below, and if you learned something, please consider liking and subscribing because it lets me know these reviews are helping you. If you want this specific item, the link is in the description below, and until then, I'll see you at the next item.